Hello and welcome to NDTV. My name is Anuj Raite and this is our special series Know Your Candidate where we are interacting. Hello and welcome to NDTV. My name is Anuj Raite and this is our special series Know Your Candidate where we are interacting with several young candidates from Mumbai, and today I have with me Varun Sardesai, who if I'm not wrong is fighting his first assembly election this time around.
Yes, contesting for the first time, though I've been involved in the political fray for a very long time. So, I mean, it's a very good experience. New experience, good experience.
You've been, the last time your name spot to, shot to limelight was because of the Senate election.
Yeah.
This is a much bigger arena.
Yeah.
Is the preparation any different?
I mean, of course, it's a lot different. This is a general election, but the constituency that I'm contesting from has traditionally been a Shiv Sena bastion, and if not Shiv Sena, the other party which is one has always been Congress. So now that Shiv Sena and Congress, both of them are together in MVA, I think people's response, they're giving me a lot of love. They are showering their blessings on me. So I don't see this as a very difficult contest.
I saw a lot of your interviews where, and even in the pamphlet that has been given to every house, your main issue seems to be on hyper-local issues.
Yeah.
Water, sanitation,
Yeah.
most importantly, housing.
Yeah.
Now, you said in one of your interviews that this region, your constituency where you'll be fighting from, is the heart of Mumbai.
Yeah.
But we've just been through some of the most congested and narrow lanes in the city. Do you think whatever promises you've made are all realistic?
I think they're very realistic because right now also where we are doing our interview, you can see a stalled SRA project. The area that we just covered right now was also another stalled SRA project. So I think just follow up with government authorities and housing ministry regarding these projects can help a lot. But sadly for the last 5 years none of this happened. That's why people are angry with the incumbent MLA and they are hoping for a change.
One criticism that your political opponents have against you is that you're not even a part of this constituency. You live in Vile-Parle. How would you respond to that?
So, it's very funny when they say that because even though the name of this constituency is Wandre Purva, it extends till Wakola. And funnily enough, if you look at the BMC corporation wards, two wards are, they are like 50% in Wakola and 50% in Vile-Parle. So, this is literally adjoining, and most parts of Wandre Purva, if you put my house location on Google Maps, you will see that it is literally 5 to 7 minutes away.
Okay.
So I don't want to respond. See, I mean, they are my political opponents,
Yeah.
so they have to say something about me.
Yeah.
I'm just happy that they have all these silly issues to speak about and nothing major.
Okay. Finally, tell me that we are seeing a couple of narratives gaining a lot of weight here in Maharashtra. एक है तो साथ है, बटेंगे तो कटेंगे. As a young leader, as an educated leader who's making his entry into electoral politics of this level for the first time, how do you read into this?
I see. What has happened in Lok Sabha is that we could consolidate our votes, and this is what the BJP is afraid of. Majorly, I've been campaigning here. You can see the situation of houses here.
Yeah.
So here we are going and telling people, हम ना बटेंगे ना कटेंगे, सब साथ में जुड़ेंगे और सब साथ में जीतेंगे भी. Because I am getting a lot of love from all communities, from all religions, from all financial sectors. Bandre East is such a peculiar constituency where majority is slums, but you also have houses that range up to 8 to 10 crores. Hey, मागे बग. So that is why when I go in high-rise societies, people are welcoming me with love because they see that, okay, this is a Columbia graduate who's working in the US. Namaskar. Shivsena Lakshat Teva.
मशाल चिन्ह.
And when I go into the slums, they are happy that we are a part of Shiv Sena, that I am a candidate of Shiv Sena, and that I am representing MVA. So if you look across sectors, कोई बट नहीं रहा है, कटने की तो बहुत दूर की बात है. तो ये सब सिर्फ narratives हैं. I don't think it will impact the election. In fact, the hate which these guys are spreading, that is what most of the people are not liking.
Okay.
And for no reason actually. all of this divisive politics that BJP is trying to do, speaking against minorities, I don't think people are appreciating it a lot. See, supporting one's religion, celebrating one's religion is welcome, and there is absolutely nothing wrong with it. Even when I am touring there are around 90,000 Muslims in my constituency. But I always wear my Shiv Sena ka patta and I go there. And no one has ever told me that you shouldn't wear this. In fact, people are welcoming me. They're only what people don't want is that you do not speak against anyone's God, which is what the BJP is doing. People are not liking it. Namaskar.
Okay.